Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new RST TracTech EVO 4 waterproof textile jacket. We have the TracTech EVO 4 textile jacket on the site right now for $179.99. I know I say this in every video, but it is true. This is an amazing value. You compare this jacket to others that sell for double, you're getting a comparable product, and some things about it are actually better. Let's dive into sizing real quick. 5 feet 11 inches tall, 200 pounds on the money, 33-inch waist. I'm wearing a size 44 US. 54 euro. I get a good, comfortable fit out of this coat. Who is this jacket right for? This jacket is right for the sport rider that is looking for a jacket that offers windproof, waterproof capabilities with the fixed Sinaqua liner, and also has a fully removable sleeve and vest insulated liner for those cooler temps, right? So this is going to be good for cooler, maybe even a little bit cold, right? Or wet riding days. It does have some ventilation. It's up here, top of the shoulder, right? And they're going to be out in the wind. It's going to drive some air inside the coat, but that air will only circulate between the windproof, waterproof, breathable liner and the outer shell of the coat. It's not going to get direct to your skin, so it's not super effective. So when I look at this coat, I don't know that I see this being the one coat does all, right? And I don't know that one coat can really do all the seasons and do them well. This sells at a very affordable price. I feel like you grab one of these and then you grab one of the RST mesh coats and you're just good to go. You're ready for anything that's out there. The hot summer days that we all want to ride in, you have your nice mesh coat, works great. The early season riding when it's cold. You don't want to throw on a hoodie underneath your mesh jacket because it doesn't even block the wind, right? Having two different coats allows you to really tailor the one you're going to wear towards the conditions that are outside, and it can make the difference between enjoying the ride and not enjoying the ride as much as you should, okay? So think cooler, cold weather, water. That's what this one's going to be great for. Features and benefits. CE armor in the elbow forearm as well as the shoulder. Integrated shoulder slider. This jacket ships with a level 1 CE certified back insert already in the coat, which makes this a really well-rounded package as you have your back protection already built into the jacket. We have volume adjustments provided in the bicep area, here at the cuff, here at the waist. Zippered hand warmer style storage pockets, both right and left sides. We have interior storage pockets, one with a zipper on the left side, one that is slip style on the right side. You'll find those pockets in the removable quilted liner, and you'll also find them in the mesh liner that is actually fixed inside the coat. So they carry over even when you remove that full quilted liner. The quilted liner, instead of snapping into the cuff, it actually zips in. They did a really nice job with the attachment system. It's a lot more robust. Some nice comfort fabric here in the cuff that just makes the jacket more comfortable to wear. If you like what you see so far, stay tuned for the second part. We're going to take this thing off, take it apart, and give you a closer look from the inside out. Here we go, the TracTech EVO 4 textile waterproof jacket from the inside out. This jacket comes with a fully removable quilted liner, both vest and sleeve. Got a zippered storage pocket over here on the left side and a slip storage pocket over here on the right side, built right into the liner for easy access when you're riding in the colder temperatures and you need the insulation. This jacket comes with CE certified armor, level 1 stuff in the shoulder, elbow, and forearm, soft shell, pretty common. Comes with a level 1 back protector insert already in the coat. You can see this is a pretty robust piece, nice complement to what we find in the elbow, forearm, and shoulder, making the armor package for this jacket complete. Shell of the coat itself. Large textile panels, nice large textile motion panels here. Start up at the neck, run all the way through to the chest of the jacket, so there's a lot of mobility built into this. Screen printed RST logos. Volume adjustment here at the waist is provided with Textile, Velcro, and a D-ring. Also another little motion panel there for comfort while riding. The sleeve of the coat. That RST shoulder slider that works in concert with the armor underneath to bolster protection in this area. Screen printed TracTech EVO 4 logo. Reflective piping. Heavy duty abrasion resistant materials used in the crash area of this coat. RST logo there in the forearm. Volume adjustment at the cuff is provided with Velcro and Textile. Nice comfort fabric right there. Termination of the sleeve. Front of the coat. RST logo is screen printed and split by the zipper. We've got a neoprene collar for comfort to protect the tank on your motorcycle from the zip. There is a little textile flap right there. Hand warmer style storage pockets, both right and left side. These pockets have a little dam built into them, right, to help make them water resistant. Volume adjustment in the bicep area is done with Velcro Textile and a D-ring stitched to the sleeve. You get inside the coat. This is the pocket the back protector slides into. We've got a nice, comfortable mesh liner. Remember, this is waterproof and breathable. This has their Sin Aqua liner built into the jacket. The ventilation that is on the outside of the coat, found right up here in the top of the shoulders, okay? This blows air into the coat in between the waterproof breathable membrane and the outer shell of the jacket itself. How effective is that? We talked about this a little in the first part of the video. When I see this coat for a rider who is going to do some wet weather riding, right? You're going to take the chance of getting caught in the rain to go out and have a nice ride, and also early and late season when it tends to be a lot colder. This membrane is going to be windproof. We have the insulated layer that is removable, so it allows you to adjust for those conditions, right? The prices these sell at, it's easy to have yourself a nice mesh jacket from RST as well as this coat, so you're armed and ready for basically any weather that is going to be presented when you're out sport riding. Full circumference zip-to-pants attachment system. This will work with the RST Textile pants. We have some of those on the way we're still waiting on. 2021's been a challenging year in terms of inventory. The pocket to get to the elbow and shoulder armor is right here at the base of the coat. Zip that open, reach your arm up in there, and you're able to remove those pieces if you need to. Zippered storage pocket here. This is going to be completely waterproof as it's on the inside of the waterproof breathable membrane. On the left side, got a little slip pocket over here. On the right side, if you want to learn more about the Sin Aqua liner that they're using, there are some of the details there on this little placard that is stitched into the inside of the coat. These little eyelets that you see down here at the bottom, this is just to allow the moisture that would be between the two layers, the windproof, waterproof layer and the exterior shell of the jacket, escape, right? Because you do have an exchange of moisture, right? When the moisture goes through the breathable layer outward, gets trapped in between the two layers, and this just kind of lets it escape. It's a great coat. This is a great value. And like I said, what I really see this being perfect for is the rider who wants to be ready for any type of riding. You know, you want to be ready for the cold stuff, still go out and have fun, not have to put a hoodie on underneath. This allows you to do that. Maybe you get caught in the rain. This also allows you to do that. Is this a great hot weather riding jacket? The answer to that is no, it's not, because it doesn't have any direct-to-skin ventilation. So before you pull the trigger on this one, if you're looking for something that does great in hot weather, you need a mesh jacket. If you have any questions, leave those in the comment section of this video. I answer all those questions myself, and I'm here to make sure you get the right gear for your next ride.